How to connect HyperX Cloud Jet Headset to your PlayStation 5. So you want to get the cable that came with your headset and just plug it into the 2.4 gigahertz slot here for the USB. Now once you have plugged in your headset in the correct USB slot, I'm going to show you what you need to do next. So here, once you have plugged it in, we will need to go into settings. So click on settings, then you want to go and scroll down until you see sound. So you will select sound, and for the audio output here, once you click on it, then you can select a device, and also you will have an option for headphones here. So it is going to detect your HyperX headset, and you can use or channel your audio from the PlayStation onto your headset. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.